Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to cancel your Aramco ID. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all you need to type on your search browser like how to cancel Aramco ID, and once you get the results you need to click on the first one result. You can see over here Aramco World. You need to click on this cancellation, and once you click on cancellation it will redirect you to a new window, and on the new window you need to provide your account number, subscriber account number, or your subscriber email or postal code. Okay, so you need to provide your registered email ID. Okay, and you need to provide your account number. So your account number is printed on your, you can say like this format. You need to provide this format account number. If the account number is beginning with like hash, you need to provide hash in the starting and hash in the end point. You need to provide your complete account number. Okay, and if your account number is like this one ml, then you need to provide your account number only for this number only. Okay, like 9202, you don't need to provide like ml and all. Okay, so you need to provide only this number, and if your account number is related to like hash, you need to provide your complete hash to hash number. Okay, so once you provide each and everything, you need to click on submit. If you don't have any kind of account number and all, if you forget your account number, then you can request your account number over on this you can say like click here button, and once you click on click here button you will redirect to a new window. On the new window you can request your account number. You need to provide your email address and they will provide you your account number on your email. Okay, so by using this method you can easily cancel your Aramco ID. So if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. And thanks for watching this video my dear friends, and bye bye.